Items to be prepared: cotton pads, a wash bowl, a disposable wash bowl liner, makeup remover, a face wash, disposable face towels, toner, massage cream, serum, a sheet mask, an eye mask, a neck mask, eye essence, and facial essence. Remove dust, oil, or makeup from the client's face and neck with makeup remover. Clean the face and neck with face wash. Apply toner to them. Rub massage cream evenly into the treated parts. Lift from the chin to Ifeng, SJ, 17, with 2 middle fingers and 2 ring fingers. Press Ifeng, SJ, 17, with the left hand, and lift the jawline back and forth with the right hand. Press Ifeng, SJ, 17, with the right hand, and lift to and fro the jawline with the left hand. Caress each cheek with your 2 middle fingers and 2 ring fingers combined. Draw C between the upper lip and chin. Press Chengjiang, RN, 24, and Rinzhong, DU, 26. Press Daikang, ST, 4. Jiacha, ST, 6. Tinghui, GB, 2. Tinggong, SI, 19. and Erman, SJ, 21. Pressing Xiang, LI, 20. Chuanliao, SI, 18. and Taiyang, EX, HN5. Massage the area around eyes with your 2 middle fingers and 2 ring fingers drawing Arabic numeral 8. Press Shanging Shang, EX, HN8. and Jingming, BL, 1. Press Quansu, BL, 2. Yuyao, EX, HN4. Sizhukong, SJ, 23. and Tongziliao, GB, 1. Press Joho, EX, HN7. Chingchi, SD, 1. and Jingming, BL, 1. Press Yintang, EX, HN3. Tianqin, the center of the forehead. and Shanting, DU, 24, 3 times, respectively. Caress the forehead back and forth with your palms alternating, and then press the forehead with your palms overlapped. Massage the periphery of the eyes again, and move till the 2 Taiyang, EX, HN5, and stop and rub them. Place one hand on the forehead while the other, drawing C, moves between the 2 Taiyang, EX, HN5. Move zigzag from one temple to the other with your 4 fingers, except the thumb, of each hand, and do it back and forth 3 times. Rub the 2 Taiyang, EX, HN5, move from parts above the ears to areas below them along the hairline, and slide out from neck sides. Lift one line after another from the chin to the temple with your hands alternating. Lift from a canvas to the hairline. Lift from forehead to the hairline. Do the same on the other side. Move to parts above and below the ear along the hairline, and slide out from the neck. Relax the lower jaw with your hands alternating and doing it simultaneously. Caress the entire neck with your hands. Lift from the lower jaw to an underarm via the part below the ear with your hands alternating, and slide out from the underarm. Stroke the 3 channels and collaterals at the neck side with the first web space circling. Do it till an armpit, and slide out from there. Stroke the same 3 channels and collaterals with your 4 fingers, except the thumb. Do it till an armpit, and slide out from there. Rub the neck side with kneeling fingers till it turns hot. Do it till an armpit, and slide out from there. Do the same on the other side. Clean the face and neck. Tripolar RF, tighten skin and fade under-eye wrinkles. RF can stimulate collagen regeneration, lift canthi, and reduce fine lines around the eyes. Moreover, it prevents skin from getting slack and delays skin aging. Advised parameters. Operating time, 10 minutes. RF power, between 3 and 15. Drop eye essence on the eyes treated area while operating. Move circle-wise from the inner corner of the eye to the temple with the handpiece. Stroke from the inner corner of the eye to the temple with the handpiece. Stroke from the inner corner of the eye to the temple along the brow ridge with the instrument. Do the same on the other side. Massage the eyes with your hands drawing Arabic number 8. Face RF, lift and tighten the face and help the face resist aging. RF can stimulate collagen production and lift and firm the face. In addition, it prevents skin from loosening and drooping and delays skin aging. Advised parameters: operating time, 15 minutes. RF power, between 3 and 15. Draw quiescence on the face's treated area while operating. Draw circles on the areas below with the device. The jawline to the part below the ear. Chenjiang, RN, 24. To the area above the ear. A corner of the mouth to the middle of the part above the ear. A wing of the nose to Taiyang, EXHN5. A cheek to Taiyang, EXHN5. And forehead to the hairline. Draw more circles on the treated areas with the handpiece. Do the same on the other side. Face RF. Reduce the appearance of necklines and double chin and remove lymphotoxin from the neck. Advised parameters: operating time, 15 minutes. RF power, between 3 and 15. Apply massage cream evenly to the neck. Lift from the double chin to an armpit via the part below the ear with the instrument and slide out from there. Move the device on the neck side back and forth, do it till an armpit, and slide out from there. Draw circles on the neck side. Do it till an armpit, and slide out from there. Move circle-wise on the neck with the instrument. Do the same on the other side. Clean the face and neck. Apply toner, essence, lotion, and facial cream to it. Fasten a strap onto the head top and chin, insert laser pads into the strap, and tie them up. Laser, dissolve fat to sculpt the lower jaw's outline. Advised parameters, mode, A. Operating time, 15 minutes. Power, between 3 and 15. Wait for 15 minutes after clicking start. Take laser pads out and untie the strap. A treatment course equals 10 treatment cycles, once a week. Who cannot use it? Women who get pregnant or breastfeed. With heart diseases or an implanted heart pacemaker. With unhealed surgical wounds or in recovery, including cosmetic surgery. With epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Please use it with caution if you have skin diseases or infectious diseases. Do not use microcurrent with lead if you are sensitive to electrical current.